Listen, right now, there's a lot of gnar that's not being shredded and a lot of PAL that hasn't been getting. What are you gonna do about it? You need to hurry this shit up. Let's go. So let's fucking go. I'm waiting on you. Let's go get some fucking gnar. Excuse me. I'm trying to learn how to shred some gnar right here. Can you move the fuck back? Move.
Shred that.
I gotta shred the gnar, bro.
Spicy.
Shit. Sorry. All I'm asking is that if I die out here, please return all the gear so I don't get charged.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know what's colder right now, my hands or my nipples.
Your nipples, definitely.
Yeah, my nipples could cut into fucking iron right now. You have poor circulation in your hands because you're white.
Ooh.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
That's gonna be me in like 10 minutes anyway. You got a motherfucking package, Lucy. Shit's yours. Open it. Come here, girl. Come here. Boom. It's a kitty with a hoodie. Hello. You know those people that spend a lot of time at the gym flexing more than they do lifting?
Yeah, perfect example, you.
Fuck you.